Assalamualaikum. In this video I will solve odd pairs problem of our CodeChef starters 53 rated for division 4. So I will explain the whole problem in English language, but before explaining I will tell you something that আমি একটা পাইথনের beginner level যারা কম্পিটিটিভ প্রোগ্রামিং করতে চান পাইথন প্রোগ্রামিং ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ দিয়ে তাদের জন্য একটা বিগিনার প্রাইভেট ব্যাচ লঞ্চ করতেছি অ্যাজ আই এম দ্য মেন্টর অফ মাই ইউনিভার্সিটি। সো আমার ওই প্রাইভেট ব্যাচটা একটা মেন্টর সাপোর্টের মতো হবে। আপনারা যারা অন্যান্য ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ যেমন সি অথবা সি প্লাস প্লাসের হালকা পাতলা বেসিক জানেন, দু একটা প্রবলেম সলভ করেছেন, তাদের জন্য এই কোর্সটাতে আমি টোটাল 10টা ক্লাস নেব এক মাসের। তো ওইটাতে হচ্ছে যে আপনি পাইথনের বেসিক একদম বিগিনার থেকে ওপির আগ পর্যন্ত, মানে অবজেক্ট ওরিয়েন্টেড প্রোগ্রামিং আগ পর্যন্ত শেখাবো। অ্যান্ড ওইখান থেকে আমি হচ্ছে আপনি এই কোর্সে বা কোড ফোর্সেসে কম্পিটিটিভ প্রোগ্রামিংটা কীভাবে পাইথন দিয়ে স্টার্ট করবেন সেটা শেখাবো। সো নাও গো টু আওয়ার প্রবলেম statement. So in this problem, given an integer n, determine the number of pairs. By the way, the all details of this private batch is given in the description box, so check the description box as well as you can find the syllabus of our private batch. So now we will read the whole problem. Our problem is, given an integer n, determine the number of pairs ab such that 1 less than equal to a, b less than equal to 1. That means the range of ab, what the range of ab is 1 to n. The range of ab is 1 to n. The number of a and b, or the value of ab, must be between 1 to n. And the very important thing is, the summation of a and b will be the odd number. Summation of a and b will be the odd number. So here is two important thing, that is, determine the number of pairs. Look at that. Given one integer number, but how can I find the ab, or how can I find the pair? Like given a number 10, or not very big one, like given the number of 3, we can explain the 3 equal to 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Now how many pair we can build with that 3 number? Like 1 and 2, 1 pair. Look at that, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 pair. 1 and 3, 2 pair. 1 and 3, 2 pair. And then 2 and 1, how many pair? Okay, again 1 and 2, 1 pair. 1 and 3, 1 pair. Airport. Next 2 and 1, 1 pair. 2 and 3, 1 pair. Then again 3 and 1, 1 pair. 3 and 2, 1 pair. So how many pair here? 6 pairs. How many pairs? 6 pairs. So now let's take another example, 1 2 3 and 4. Like as an example, 1 2 3 and 4. Now for 4, how many pair we can build with 4? 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 pair. 1 and 3, 2 pair. 1 and 4, 3 pair. Then how many pair we can build with 2? 2 and 1, 1 pair. 2 and 3, 1 pair. 2 and 4, 1 pair. Then this process will continue up to 3 and 4. So by this 3 we can build 3 pair. By this 4 we can build 3 pair, right? And so how many pair we can build? 3 3 3, 4 into 3, 12 pair. Now as the written problem here, the number is n. So how can we make the dynamic calculation for how many pair we can build by n? The formula is n equal to n multiplied by n equal to n so n equal to n কি একটা বানাইছিলাম যে n equal লাইক হচ্ছে 2 তে যদি আমি করি তাহলে 2 into 2 minus 1. So how many pairs we can build? We can build n into n minus 1. We can build n into n minus 1. Look, for 3 into 3 minus 1, 3 multiplied by 2, then 6 pairs. The result is 6 pairs. Okay, I am removing everything. Okay, let's take an example. N equal to 3. So our formula is n multiplied by n minus 1, right? N multiplied by n minus 1. So 3 into 2, the answer is 6. So in the previous explanation, we can say that we saw that if the value is 3, the value of n, we can build 6 pairs. And now if the value of n equal to 4, so 4 into 3, how many pairs? 12 pairs. And in the previous example we saw, for 4 we build 4 pairs. That means the equation for building is the equation for building the pairs n into n minus 1. But this problem is another condition, that a plus b is odd number. That means if the value of n is 2, we can make 1 and 2. Fine, 1 and 2. But 1 and 2, the summation of 1 and 2, 3. The summation of 1 and 2, 3. So the result will be 2, because here the two pairs individually, the summation is 3 and 3. That means the two pairs are odd, so our result will be 2. But look at the 3. If you take 3 equal to 1 2 3, then 1 2, it's one pair, then 1 3. We can't take 1 3, because the summation of 1 3 is 4. So how can we find the how many pair will be the just odd number? How many pair? We have a mathematical calculation for finding how many odd pairs. So the equation will be n into n bhag 2. N into n bhag 2, and this n bhag 2 must be ceiling result. Suppose after dividing n by 2, if our result will be 1.5, we will multiply 1 into n. If our result will be 5.5, we will multiply 5 with n. So if you are a Python programmer, you can just write another. This operator is called floor division operator, right? So the output result, the output for this problem, just following the equation, n multiplied by n floor division 2. So let's look our code. This is the correct answer, and the code is here. We have taken the test case in the first line. After that we have taken n, and after that just print n multiplied by n floor division by 2. Thank you. And if you are interested to enroll my Python private batch, just go through the description box, and this whole private batch I will take in Bengali language. So if you understand Bengali language, then you can enroll this course. Thank you.